Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about budgeting apps that can help you manage your finances better. Do you ever feel like your finances are out of control? It's easy to get overwhelmed with bills, expenses, and unexpected costs. But what if there was a way to take control of your money and start achieving your financial goals? That's where budgeting apps come in. In this detailed guide, we'll take a closer look at the top budgeting apps that can help you manage your finances better. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these apps can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and save money for the future. From Mint, a completely free app that connects all your accounts and tracks your spending, to You Need a Budget, YNAB, which helps you give every dollar a job, and Personal Capital, which provides a holistic view of your finances. These apps offer a range of features to suit your needs. But that's not all. We'll also introduce you to PocketGuard, an app that analyzes your bills and subscriptions to help you find ways to save money, and Goodbudget, an app perfect for couples or families who want to manage their money together. So, whether you're looking to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or just get a better handle on your finances, these budgeting apps are a great place to start. With their help, you can take control of your money and start achieving your financial goals today. We all know that managing our money can be a daunting task, but with the right tools, it can be a breeze. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 budgeting apps that you can use to keep track of your expenses, set financial goals, and save money. Mint. This app is perfect for those who are just starting with budgeting. It allows you to connect all your accounts, track your expenses, and set up a budget in just a few minutes. The best part? It's completely free. Mint is a free app that helps you create a budget and track your expenses. It's easy to use and allows you to connect all your accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, and investments. Once you've linked your accounts, Mint automatically categorizes your expenses and provides you with a clear view of where your money is going. You can also set up alerts for bill payments, get notified of unusual spending, and set financial goals. This app is a great option for those who are just starting out with budgeting. It allows you to connect all your bank and credit card accounts, and it will automatically categorize your transactions so you can see where your money is going. You can also set up a budget in just a few minutes, and Mint will track your spending against that budget. It will send you alerts when you're close to going over budget, so you can adjust your spending as needed. Mint is completely free to use, so it's a great option for those who don't want to spend money on a budgeting app. YNAB, You Need a Budget. As the name suggests, this app is all about budgeting. It works on the principle of giving every dollar a job. You can set up your budget, track your spending, and plan for future expenses. It does come with a fee, but the benefits are worth it. YNAB is a budgeting app that helps you create a plan for every dollar you have. It's based on the zero-based budgeting principle, which means that you give every dollar a job, whether it's paying bills, saving for a vacation, or investing. YNAB allows you to track your expenses and helps you stay on track with your budget. It also offers a feature called Age of Money, which tells you how long ago you earned the money you're currently spending. This helps you focus on spending money you earned recently rather than living paycheck to paycheck. This app is all about budgeting, and it's a great option for those who want to be more intentional with their money. YNAB works on the principle of giving every dollar a job, so you're always aware of where your money is going. You can set up your budget and track your spending, and YNAB will help you plan for future expenses. The app does come with a fee, but many users find that the benefits are worth it. YNAB also offers a free trial period, so you can test it out before committing to a subscription. Personal Capital. If you're looking for an app that can help you manage your investments as well as your budget, Personal Capital is the one for you. It provides a holistic view of your finances, including your retirement accounts, investments, and more. Personal Capital is an app that provides a comprehensive view of your finances, including your investments, retirement accounts, and spending. It allows you to track your net worth, monitor your investments, and plan for retirement. The app also offers a free financial advisory service that provides personalized investment advice based on your goals and risk tolerance. This app is a great option for those who want to manage their investments as well as their budget. Personal Capital provides a holistic view of your finances, including your retirement accounts, investments, and more. It's free to use, and it can help you make informed decisions about your investments. Personal Capital also offers a fee-based service for those who want more personalized investment advice. PocketGuard. This app takes budgeting to the next level by helping you identify areas where you can save money. It also provides a personalized spending limit, based on your income and expenses. PocketGuard is an app that helps you manage your money by tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can save. It automatically categorizes your expenses and provides a personalized spending limit based on your income and bills. PocketGuard also alerts you when you're nearing your spending limit and helps you avoid overdraft fees. This app takes budgeting to the next level by helping you identify areas where you can save money. It provides a personalized spending limit, based on your income and expenses, and it will send you alerts when you're close to reaching that limit. PocketGuard also analyzes your bills and subscriptions to help you find ways to save money. The app is free to use, but there is a paid version that offers additional features. Goodbudget. This app is perfect for couples or families who want to manage their money together. It allows you to set up virtual envelopes for different categories of expenses and track your spending accordingly. Goodbudget is a budgeting app that allows you to create virtual envelopes for different categories of expenses, such as groceries, rent, and entertainment. You can allocate money to each envelope based on your budget and track your spending accordingly. Goodbudget also allows you to share your budget with others, making it ideal for couples or families who want to manage their money together. This app is perfect for couples or families who want to manage their money together. It allows you to set up virtual envelopes for different categories of expenses, like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. You can assign a budget to each envelope, and you'll be able to see how much money you have left in each category. Goodbudget also offers a paid version with additional features, like the ability to sync your account with multiple devices. Overall, these budgeting apps are great tools for anyone who wants to be more intentional with their money. They can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and save money for the future. With a little bit of effort, you can use these apps to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Budgeting apps are a great way to stay on top of your finances and achieve your financial goals. They allow you to track your expenses, set up a budget, and identify areas where you can save money. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced budgeter, there's an app out there that can help you manage your money better. And that's it for today's video on the top 5 budgeting apps. We hope this was helpful in giving you an idea of what's out there and what might work best for you. Remember, the key to financial success is being intentional with your money, and these apps can help you do just that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.